Alright folks, this one is called Find the Change Cell. So you hit refresh, you're given this big table, and then you click on the Show Original Table. It's almost identical except for one cell has changed. So you go back and show the original table, and inside Tosca we've got our little table here. We scanned it already, not wasting your time with that kind of nonsense. Then if we look at the test case, I've already created a baseline. Let's just delete that, and we take that out as well. So that's your table that we just scanned. Okay, so the way you work with this is you say create a baseline. It then goes to your web page and it pulls in all of that data. It's probably like 1,000 cells, maybe more, I don't know. Don't care either. God, this is a bit boring. Okay, so you've got your baseline created. Table baseline successfully created. Wonderful. And then you click Show Changed, and the idea is you run this again against your baseline. You run it again. And it should fail because one cell is different. And in the verification message it's going to show you what is actually different. Yep, good. That's what I expected. We go back in here, look at the verification message, and we see verification has failed. Why has it failed? It failed because of that difference. Now if we go into Notepad, this is the one I was doing previously, and then open up browser window, side by side. Take the row 37, column 7C and E. The expected value, the original expected value was that, and the actual value was npi16. And then we should click on submit, but it says something went wrong, and I don't know why, and I don't really care because this is a bit tedious, and I did this 2 years ago and it worked fine. I could look at the baseline files that are in the Tosca Commander folder, but I couldn't be bothered. Feel free to tell me what I'm doing wrong. Cheers, bye.